never touch anything, Not me, Just tell me, now not me. Just tell me, now not me.
Always come back to center. So, if I...
April 6, 2020, street busker Jonathan Goh packed his performance props with a heavy heart. He was not sure when he could perform again as Singapore tightened its COVID-19 safe management measures. Over a year later, students and alumni from PSB Academy came together in hope to give these street artists a stage to perform again. Their mission? A Buskers festival that will be broadcast live to audiences around the world. This project was 6 months in the making. They had great aspirations, but did they really know the challenges that lie ahead? The team met regularly, brainstormed, and even debated over how best to roll out this ambitious project. After a month of hard work, they were finally ready to share their grand plan with members from Buskers Association Singapore.
I feel like that way your marketing and your branding awareness of Buskers will go up as well for PSB as well.
With the association's endorsement, the team sprang into action to consult with industry experts. Debbie had to learn fast from the team at Maven Porter in strategizing and executing their marketing plan.
Okay, you're gonna make your key message more obvious. Maybe move it to the top.
Honestly, I am actually feeling very stressed. There are a lot of marketing materials to produce, and my team and I are really trying our best to meet the deadlines. This project is way bigger than I expected.
Together with Lauren, they sought the guidance of NAS Academy, industry partner of PSB Academy's Media and Communications Diploma, to produce publicity videos to bring in the crowd.
So this framing is not the best for this act. So what to do, try to go wider. Okay? Capture your shot, leave the 3 seconds afterwards, and we say, cut.
Ken heard firsthand from PSB Academy's lecturer Sean on how best to harness the power of social to broadcast their event live.
Facebook live, right? We share what was the event about. Next week onwards, you can already start on running traffic campaigns ready. Go to the events page.
PR agency Wagoner Astrom Communications chipped in to work with Cheyenne on media outreach, as well as ways to canvas for sponsorship to make the event possible.
We are doing this event in partnership with Buskers Association. In terms of your goals, maybe it can be a bit more specific. Is it total viewers or
accumulated views? So that means like all the views should add up to 2,000.
The amount that they can be flexible with would be between the silver and the platinum.
With the support of industry practitioners, the real work begins.
They see 500, they'll just give the 500.
Cheyenne starts to meet potential sponsors.
Hello!
Cheyenne was very nervous during her pitch to potential sponsors, but it seems her efforts paid off.
Fantastic that you've really been able to do so much on this community-based project, and certainly as the Pro Vice Chancellor, really thrilled that with the University of Newcastle and PSB, we've been able to collaborate together on this wonderful community project. Fantastic! Thank you so much. Wonderful, wonderful.
Congratulations on what you've done so far, and I wish you the best of luck over the weekend, but it sounds like you've done a great job.
Oh my god, I'm just so excited that we managed to secure sponsorships above the target we set. It's such a relief. All our hard work has finally paid off.
The event garnered great PR mileage as well.
这是第一次完全由学生来策划、来筹办、举办的这个活动，所以其中一个筹委会的一份子就是我们的 Sarah。
学生们团队和我们的街头艺人们真的准备了很多很精彩的东西给你们看。
Together with the lecturer Aaron, the media and comms team headed down to Studio 5 for hands-on training in using live broadcast equipment. They seem to be having fun, but do they have what it takes to run a live broadcast event?
Everything is moving so fast. It's so crazy. We can't seem to take a breather. Though I'm really excited about the event, but I'm so scared we can't pull this off.
Time for the full dress rehearsal.
Okay, we are going live in 50 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Why is the audio line being sent? See? So whoever's talking at the mic, audience can hear. Restart again.
Are they really up for the challenge? The actual day of the Buskers Festival has come. Not only were they able to broadcast the event live, they were also able to have a live audience as safe management measures had eased. All hands on deck. Guest of honor, Member of Parliament for Nee Soon GRC, Mr. Louis Ng, came with his family to support the event.
I started to meet up with all the buskers to really hear what the stories and the difficulties they face on the ground. I met up with Jonathan, and I'm very glad that together with a group of buskers, he set up the Busking Association. I also want to thank PSB Academy, the students, the staff members here for really giving the buskers a platform to showcase their talent and their passion to everyone. And of course, a very big thank you to all our buskers in Singapore. They're back on the streets this weekend, and they really are the ones that bring the colour into this very grey concrete jungle that we live in.
Let the show begin. Lights, camera, action.
I think it's really good that the students are able to pull off such a big event. It's been a very long time since I ever seen buskers on the street, so it's a very cool event to see everything all together. Yeah.
It's been 2 long years, and I think this is time to shine again. This opportunity creates good awareness, and thank you PSB once again. Thank you so much.
I have to say it was an amazing show. I feel really thrilled about it all, and the audience was super engaging. The students did a really good job organizing all of it.
So I think this event is really great and awesome. It helped the busker and also give the students from PSB an opportunity to learn so much.
Performers were also able to share their challenges and hopes for the future of busking in Singapore. With exciting prizes from sponsors the students managed to get on board, the audience did not walk away empty-handed as well.
It has been a very long journey, but I'm very glad I took part in this event and that I didn't hesitate to jump on board. I think overall my biggest lesson was that I'm now more aware of the buskers, of their existence in Singapore scene, and also to the media industry itself, how it is like working on such a big project. Yeah, it's just been so tiring, but I'm glad I pushed through.
I really feel so happy that we're finally done with this event. Every one of us has put in such a tremendous effort, and to finally just see it all come together, right? Honestly, it feels so surreal, and I think the biggest takeaway that I have is really the memories. I'm just feeling so glad that we managed to pull off this event, and it was a success.
The event managed to raise a grand total of over $25,000 in cash, equipment, and prize sponsorship, and media value of over $50,000 worth of PR coverage, and garnered a combined audience of over 1,000. Congratulations to our students, and a big thank you to all our partners and sponsors.